Sheikh Abdul Bari Yahya from USA. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إنا فتحنا لك فتحا مبينا. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in this ayat, indeed, we have given you a clear victory. What was this victory that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave to the Muslims? This victory was the victory of peace. There was a peace treaty at Hudaybiyah that was just over with. And it was after this that many people in the Arabian Peninsula started coming into Islam, because it opened the way to others to hear the message. And this Peace TV is a way to reach all of the houses of the people, no matter where they are in the world. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make this a clear victory for us, because the purpose is to reach others, and if we can provide it in a peaceful manner, then this is the best method, because Islam prospers in peace, not in war. Wa jazakumullahu khairan.